Well, made it out to the trails, or the trailhead, I suppose. Check this out, man. We're out in I think the trailhead's down this way. So we'll go do this thing, and it's difficult. It's more of a walking path at this point, but it is definitely going to get worse. Well, maybe not worse, but a lot more challenging as I get down here into the canyon. So let's check it out, baby. Yeah. Got my monster, my peachy one, Peachy King, and Peachy King. Yeah, let's do this. I'm in one of those old westerns where I'm shot by some arrows or something from up there. You know? I don't know, man. I don't know. Watch out! Well, found the overpass. Kind of cool. So continue walking, huh? Look at all the stuff behind me. Pretty cool. Well, as you can see, it's getting a little bit rocky. Just had to walk through that. Now, oh, let me go back here. Yeah, come down and around, huh? Through this canyon. Watch my footing here. Coming around. Pretty cool, man. Let's see where this thing takes us. I think it takes us down some guided ropes or something, down some rocks or something, to some hot springs. So, I don't know. Let's see. Well, we're definitely in the canyon. Check it. Just moseying along. Well, started getting a little warm. A little too much for a hoodie. Really almost too hot for pants, but we're just out here repping the good old sheepdog, doing this hike, you know, not being on a couch, because, you know, that's a good comforting spot to be. But it's not what we do. It's not what we do. But yeah. I feel like in the Looney Tunes, where the coyote drops the rock on the road. As I cross the path. I'm down in it now, huh? Got that. Just walk through here. Yeah, old man still got it. Pretty cool trail. Look behind me. Whoa! So there we go. Yeah, they're right. Well, we just climbed down from way up there. A little path over there goes up and around. Goes up. And yeah, we just continue. Well, had to climb down some intense kind of stuff that had some ropes, so I'm gonna have to climb back up those things. Hopefully I get my fat ass back up, huh? But yeah, look where. So pretty, man. It has some power lines coming through here. Got power of the world, baby. Here we go. Well, made it past those people. It was a pretty good time, you know. They had a bunch of people with them, you know, big group. So they let me pass. We're walking down. Some hot spring stuff flowing. You know. I have a little teaching point on this. Let me get down through here. Oh. Yeah. Just like this hot stream flows through this canyon, it represents us moving through life. Sometimes we don't know everything we've done or the impact we made until sometimes you look back and look at all this greenery in this canyon. All because the water kept moving. Do the same in life. Well, we made it all the way down, just about, but now we head back up.